Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick tip about how you can choose something in the menus that I wasn't aware that you could. Now, the way it normally works with a 3-position switch, you'll have this switch position in the top, middle and down. However, there are times when you want it so that something happens when the switch is in the top position and then happens when it's in any other position apart from the top position. Now, in Open and EdgeTX, that's done by using the not command or the exclamation mark before that switch position, and that is actually available here in ETHOS. So what we're going to do, let me just show you how you get into it. If you're setting up something like dual rates, see my video below for the link on that. There's an entire series of ETHOS tips like this. Say for example at the moment that we have 2 rates. We have 100% rate at the top and we have an SB rate at the bottom. So what we can do is we can add a new weight and we can say it's a system event and we can choose a switch position. And this is pretty standard stuff. This is how you assign a new weight, a new switch position to anything else. With the things highlighted, if we use the rotary wheel and actually select this second switch and press and hold the enter key, we actually get the options to select invert or edge. Edge means that it only happens when the switch changes state, and invert allows us to select the opposite. So if we click on invert once and come out, we can now see that when the switch is in the back position or not in the back position, SB in the back position is selected, so the switch kind of makes sense, and then the not in the back position is selected when the switch is anywhere else. So that is the way that it works. It's a slightly neater way to do it when you have multiple switch settings and maybe you have 2 things that you want on a 3-position switch. It's a nice way to make sure that you never get in a situation where the switch is in a position where you haven't got something like an expo or a rate set up for. But that's how you do it. You make sure with the rotary control you select the switch that you're interested in, press and hold the enter key, and then you get the option to both invert and select edge for that particular switch, and that is how you do it. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.